Hey YouTube, what's going on? Got something exciting today. It finally came in. What is it? This unboxing of my TX22 FRT trigger. It finally came in. Let's go ahead and unbox this thing. See what we get. I ordered this from performancetrigger.com. Let's see what we get. Comes in this plastic baggie. Let's see. We get the packing slip. You get a cool sticker. Pull and release. And the FRT trigger. Let's go ahead and open this up. See what it looks like. Can't get it. There we go. This is what you get. It's the FRT trigger. This little baby here will make your TX22 go burr. Just trying to get it. Let y'all see my little setup here. Oh, and the TX22, man, it loves these. These CCI mini mags, it love them. So, I got, there you see my guns they empty. Nothing in them. So, I got the first gen TX22. It's the first gen. You got the Gen 2 TX22. Comes optic ready. Threaded barrel. I bought a slide. This is the slide I'm gonna put on my Gen 1 TX22 because I wanted to put an optic on it. It also comes with a little plate. You can also adapt the Holosun K footprint and RMSC footprint will work on this slide. Pretty cool slide. It's made out of billet aluminum. So I purchased this Gen 2 TX22, and it came with two extended mags, 22 rounds each, and it came with three 16 round mags. The Gen 1, which is this one, it only come with these two mags. I currently use CCI stingers for self-defense in these or whatever. If I need it, that's what I use if it come down to it with this little 22, but it packs a little punch, the CCI stingers. But in here, I got different 22 cartridges in here, so I can test them out to see which one, will cycle the best with the FRT trigger after I install it. Well, yep, that's it. Just wanted to let y'all see. Yep. Looking forward to have a little fun plinking. Stay tuned for more upgrades. Bye.